Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about why Meta AI is better than ChatGPT with 4 to 5 reasons. So let's start the video. The first reason is not providing of photos by ChatGPT. If I search about photos on ChatGPT, it will not provide ChatGPT. Instead, it will give you a reason that why it is not able to provide photos. Instead, in Meta AI, if I search about photos, it will directly provide me photos with just 3 to 4 seconds of loading. For example, if I search yellow little cat on Meta AI, it will provide me photos within 2 to 4 seconds. So in this way, Meta AI is way much better than ChatGPT. The second reason why Meta AI is better than ChatGPT is its information. They have information about the yesterday's events, while ChatGPT has only information till 2022 January. So we can get more information on Meta AI as compared to the ChatGPT. For example, if I search who is the winner of World Cup 2023 in cricket on ChatGPT, it will not provide the result because it don't have the and that much information about 2023. On the other hand, if I search 2023 World Cup winner on Meta AI, it will provide me the results and the winner, and it will also provide me the links. So this link is a third better thing about Meta AI. Meta AI is way much better than ChatGPT about links as well. If I search anything on ChatGPT, it will not provide me links of other sources to go there and get more info about that thing. But if I search anything on Meta AI, it will also provide me links, so I can go on the other sources and search more info about that particular question. So this is also one of the better reason why ChatGPT is not better than Meta AI. The fourth reason why Meta AI is better than ChatGPT is giving a specific prompt. For example, if I give prompt to Meta AI with a very short term, for example, I have given the prompt to Meta AI that yellow little cat, and it will directly provide me photos. While if I provide that prompt to ChatGPT, it will not provide that much information about yellow little cat. So these are the reasons why ChatGPT is not better than Meta AI, while Meta AI is way much better than ChatGPT. These are 4 to 5 reasons. So you must consider Meta AI in place of ChatGPT in your daily lives, and it will boost your learnings and your information. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.